Hey ladies, I'm back with another review. I'll be reviewing the BTArtbox 3-in-1 gel nails. Please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. These nails are my favorite. I've been wearing these since November. I have not been back to the nail shop since. This has 160 pieces. First, you want to push those cuticles back. You want to remove any extra alcohol so it can last longer. Go ahead and buff the surface so that these three things will help the nails stick on longer. Next, you want to match up your nail tips, and they have two sizes inside of the kit, 15 and size 16. Next, you're going to apply the gel glue to each nail and make sure you cure each nail. You don't need too much glue because you don't want it to be on your cuticles, but you're going to just put it on your nail. Make sure it's the right fit, and then you're going to cure it. That should only take 60 seconds. And then the next step is adding the builder gel. This is going to help from keeping the nail from chipping. This is very important if you want your nails to last long. And you're going to cure that as well. And that should only take like 60 seconds as well. And next, you're going to put on the top coat, and then you're done. It's that simple. Now look at these nails. They're so cute. Again, they last up to 28 days if you do the right prep. These are press-ons. They're so thick. I love them. You got to try them out. See you soon.